I'm out here today walking a nature trail. I like to come out here to clear my mind, to connect with spirit, to connect with source, to ground myself. So yeah. If I needed any more confirmation that transformation is imminent, I love it out here, truly. Being out here is literally the greatest reminder of all the abundance in the world, of all the prosperity, blessings. It's just, it doesn't end. Like, if this isn't a reminder that abundance is just never ending and it's literally all around us. Oh, okay, I'm tired, y'all.